Hutchinson with htmarket.com. Got the X-Acto knife. We're ready to unbox the newest full-featured seat called the HD Design Waveland. And I'm going to start unboxing. I have somebody over here named Justin who might help me. And he's one of our sales guys and unboxer for now. Let's see. Oh, I don't need him yet. So I'm just going to do the top. There's the kind of a little packing material. Basically, every box has a double box on one side and has corner braces. And there's some corner braces here and there. So we've got really good packing material in the seat, like all our styles. We've been doing this for a long time now, and we know how to pack seats. So if there's visible box damage on a shipment, usually the inside the seat, or inside the box I should say, there's no damage to the seat because of layers of protection. You gotta watch yourself with these X-Acto knives because you can cut leather if you're not careful. And we've seen it happen on occasion where somebody will go through the box and get the leather. I'm gonna take away this right now for now. See if I can just pull it. There's a back in here. I'm going to pull that out first. Well, almost did. That's just the called a muslin bag, and what it does is basically. This is a little heavier because it's got a motor in it. This is the lumbar balloon air, and then that's the motor connection that goes to the bottom. I'm going to place this over here on the Clark seat. And that'll just stick there for now. And then what I've got to do is just turn this a little bit this way. And then I'm going to put it on its side. Good. Yeah. And then I'm going to try to, I'm just going to move it over here for now. And I'm going to pull it out. Using plastic in here. Just is helping you hold the box, which is good, because then I can pull it out easier. So we got it pretty much unboxed, got all packing stuff. You get white glove delivery, you don't have to do this yourself. Highly recommended service, but we're doing this for demo, so that's why I'm doing it. Got these little plastic things that go over the grommets so that they don't get damaged. And the cup holder has all the controls. Let's see if I can get this off without using the... All right, I'm gonna need the X-Acto again. Careful. All right, hold on. That's good, I got that part. Ooh, got me almost. Not a bad way to go down. You have to go down. It's got the nice diamond pattern, quilting or whatever you call it. And so you got those. I'm gonna try to basically pull that out. Why don't you grab this one and lift it up? Okay, got it. No, that's the other side. All right, so we got it unboxed. Here's the install back assembly instructions. You'll see on the cords, you don't need to remove these, but we're gonna do that next. So, Alan Hutchinson with a Waveland, HD Design and htmarket.com.